Welcome friends, in this experiment I want to show you how to configure IOT using Cisco Packet Tracer. So the first thing I will do will be to come around here and type Packet Tracer. Then I'll click here. Then my Packet Tracer is up. So from here I will need a switch. So I'll click on a switch. I'll need a switch here. Then I'll click on End Devices. I will need a server. So I'll click to bring out a server. Then I'll go to Home. And here I will need a fan. But you notice immediately I brought out a fan, I have an error here. It's telling me that the PT internal script module is disabled. So I'm going to enable that. I'll go to scripting, PT internal module here, look edit. Then I say read only. Then from here I will say clear everything. Then I will start this. Once I start, I'll close this and say okay. So I'm going to bring this out again. So I will delete this one off. So I'll just press delete, yes. Then I'll bring it out again. So the error is no more there. Then I'll bring a temperature monitor. This device here is a temperature monitor. So I'll bring this temperature monitor. So let's arrange this. I'm going to have a server that will be used to configure these two IoT devices. So what do I want to realize? Anytime the temperature reaches a particular extent, the fan should come on and it should go off when it's lower than that figure. So first thing I'm going to do will be to connect all these devices together. So this is star networks. So I'll use um, standard straight cable. So from here to here. Then again, I'm picking from here to here. Then I'm picking from here to here. The connection is done. Next thing I'm going to do will be to give IP addresses to all these devices. So how do I do that? So I'll click here. I'll go to config, pass Ethernet. Then for the server, call the server 192.168.0.1. This is class C. Then I'll come here. I'll go to config, pass Ethernet 192.168.0.2. Class C. So then here, I'll go to fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet 192.168.0.3, and I'll close them. So I've configured IP addresses on all these devices. Then here, the next thing I'm going to do will be to tell the services, activate the IoT services on this device. So go to IoT and put it on. Then I'm going to get administrative logon details. So I'll go to my browser and type that address. I'll click go. It's going to be telling me to log in, but I have not, so I'll sign up. Call this is admin and name. Password is also admin, so I'll click create. So I've logged in. So I will now go to these devices and configure them to point to the server. So I'll go to remote server. I'll type 192.168.0.1. And I'll type admin. Then I'll click connect. So once it changes to refresh, that means connection has been established. Then I'll come back to again. Then I'll go down to where I have remote server. I'll type 192.168.0.1. Username is admin. Password is admin. admin, that will now connect. So so that's done. So these two are connected. So you can see from here that my temperature hasn't really changed much. It's still at 0. So let me view these two IoT devices. Go to web browser. Then I'll now log in to the web application. I'll type admin, sign in. So you can see these two IoT devices are here. IoT 1 is a fan, ceiling fan, so I can click here. And IoT 2 is a temperature monitor, still at 0 degrees Celsius. So I can start this fan manually by just watch this fan by clicking low. When I click low, you can see that round thing. Then if I want it high, you can see it's double. So I can off it too. But I don't want to do it manually. I could just go and set up a condition. See, my temperature is increasing now. Temperature is increasing. So giving that high temperature is gradually increasing. So I can go and set a condition that anytime the particular temperature is reached, and maybe the fan can either go up, become low, or become high. That's the way automatically be done. So let's just see how is that done. So I'll click on conditions. Under conditions, I'll click add. So the first thing I'm going to do will be to give a name to this IoT rule. So I'll call it IoT rule 1. IoT rule 1. And starting with IoT 2, monitor temperature. Once this temperature is between can we say 0 and 10? Once it's between 0 and 10, action should be that the fan status should be low. Fan status should be low. So let's expand this so I can apply this. So when the temperature is between 0 to 10, the fan status should be low. So I click OK. So this rule has been enabled. So let's reduce this. So that has been effected. So if we refresh this, and we find out that this so the rule has been set. So what's happening here is that the current temperature is minus. So what we said was once it is below from the condition here, one is between 0 and 10, then the fan should be low. So once that happens, then the temperature will change accordingly. So that's basically how IoT is configured on the system and programmed to act. This is an example of a Mechatronics setup because the fan here is a Mechatronics device, and the software interface from the server is used to manage what happens when a particular condition is reached. Thank you for listening.